This is Nissan Navara Outlaw. I'm just going to show you how easy, and then it's a bit hard to remove the airbag ribbon, but I'll just take a look at the tricky part here. So you will see a tensioner here. It's kind of a springs. So you need to put that lever just underneath here, which is here, and put the lever just below, and then pull it down. You will see the rest of the part get shrink here, the tension get released, and then this will come out by these two holes. The moment you lever it from down, so the tensioner will get released from here and the release from the top. The wiper. You ensure airbag and then the steering wheel is in line. So with this, the job has been completed by replacing the airbag ribbon. So now ensure to connect the cable goes to the horn, and then gently insert the airbag itself. Thank you guys.